10 futuristic gadgets you can't miss out on. The future of technology is arriving fast, and the gadgets we once dreamed of are now becoming a reality. From the way we sleep and entertain ourselves to how we clean our homes and care for our plants, innovations are changing the way we interact with the world around us. These futuristic gadgets don't just look cool. They're designed to make our lives easier, more efficient, and more fun. If you're someone who loves to stay ahead of the curve, these products are a must-see. Let's dive into the world of tomorrow and explore the gadgets you simply can't miss out on. Withings Omnia AI Smart Mirror. The Withings Omnia AI Smart Mirror is like stepping into a high-tech wellness hub right in your bathroom or bedroom. Imagine a mirror that not only reflects your image, but also tracks your health, monitors your sleep, and even provides fitness insights, all with the help of artificial intelligence. This futuristic mirror is more than just a reflection. It acts as a personal wellness coach, analyzing your body composition, posture, and even your daily habits to give you tailored advice on how to improve your overall health. The AI capabilities behind the Omnia Smart Mirror allow it to deliver personalized tips on everything from your skincare routine to your workout goals. Withings has taken it a step further by integrating the mirror with other health devices, making it an essential part of your home's health ecosystem. Oslo Sleep Buds. The Oslo Sleep Buds are a revolutionary take on how we sleep and rest in a noisy world. These sleep buds are designed to help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling more refreshed. What sets them apart from traditional earbuds is their ability to play soothing sounds or white noise that helps mask environmental disturbances, whether that's traffic, snoring, or loud neighbors. These tiny earbuds are incredibly comfortable and lightweight, making them perfect for wearing throughout the night without causing any discomfort or disrupting your sleep. Oslo Sleep Buds use cutting-edge sound technology to create the ideal environment for rest. Unlike regular headphones or sleep masks that can be bulky and inconvenient, these earbuds are designed to stay in place and provide continuous, high-quality sound therapy. Silvox Cinema Pro Outdoor TV. For those who love to entertain outdoors or simply want to enjoy a cinema-quality experience under the stars, the Silvox Cinema Pro Outdoor TV is the gadget of the future. This isn't just any regular television. It's a high-definition screen designed to perform in any weather condition. Whether you're hosting a backyard movie night, watching sports in the fresh air, or enjoying a Netflix binge session on the patio, this outdoor TV delivers an incredible viewing experience, no matter the time of day. The Silvox Cinema Pro features a 4K resolution, ensuring that every image is crisp and vivid, while its anti-glare technology means you'll still enjoy bright, clear pictures, even in direct sunlight. LeafyPod Ad Planter. The LeafyPod Ad Planter is a game-changer for anyone looking to grow their own plants at home, regardless of their gardening experience. This intelligent, self-watering planter uses AI technology to monitor the needs of your plants in real time, adjusting conditions like water, light, and nutrients to ensure optimal growth. The built-in sensors collect data on humidity, soil moisture, and even the health of the plant, sending updates and recommendations straight to your smartphone through an app. No more worrying about overwatering or underwatering. LeafyPod takes care of it for you. One of the standout features of the LeafyPod Ad Planter is its ease of use. Whether you're growing herbs in your kitchen, flowers on your balcony, or vegetables in your living room, this gadget makes it simple. Beepa AquaSense 2 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Keeping a pool clean can be a time-consuming chore, but with the Beepa AquaSense 2 Robotic Pool Cleaner, the process becomes effortless. This advanced robotic cleaner is designed to navigate the entire pool, scrubbing the floors, walls, and waterline while filtering out dirt, debris, and leaves. The AquaSense 2 uses smart sensors to detect dirt and automatically adjusts its cleaning pattern for optimal efficiency, ensuring that every corner of your pool is spotless. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant dedicated solely to your pool. The best part is that the Beepa AquaSense 2 is incredibly easy to use. Simply drop it into the pool, and it takes care of the rest. It's energy efficient, saving both time and money compared to traditional pool cleaning methods. LG Signature Smart InstaView Microwave. The LG Signature Smart InstaView Microwave is a revolutionary appliance that combines cutting-edge technology with sleek, modern design. With just a simple knock on the glass, the microwave's door turns transparent, allowing you to see the food inside without opening it. This unique feature eliminates the need to open the microwave door every time you want to check your food, which helps maintain heat and energy efficiency. It's an innovative design that blends convenience with style, making it perfect for modern kitchens. In addition to its visually stunning design, the Smart InstaView Microwave is packed with features that make cooking easier and more efficient. NVIDIA Project Digits. NVIDIA Project Digits is a glimpse into the future of human-computer interaction. This futuristic technology uses advanced machine learning algorithms to track and interpret your hand movements, turning your hands into a real-time control system for virtual reality, VR, gaming, and other interactive experiences. Imagine controlling a video game or designing a 3D model with just a wave of your hand. No need for controllers, joysticks, or touchscreens. Project Digits is all about creating a more immersive and intuitive experience, where your hands become the interface for interacting with digital content. UFI E20 Robot Vacuum. Keeping your home clean has never been easier thanks to the UFI E20 Robot Vacuum. This smart vacuum uses advanced sensors and navigation technology to efficiently clean your floors while you relax or take care of other tasks. It's designed to detect dirt, debris, and even pet hair, adjusting its cleaning path to ensure that every inch of your home is spotless. The UFI E20 is perfect for anyone who wants a hassle-free cleaning experience, offering automatic cleaning schedules and powerful suction to pick up even the tiniest dust particles. Sony and Honda Afeela EV. The Sony and Honda Afeela EV is a visionary electric vehicle that merges cutting-edge technology with sustainable transportation. Designed to be more than just a car, the Afeela EV is a connected, high-tech machine that integrates entertainment, communication, and mobility all in one. Equipped with Sony's advanced in-car entertainment systems, the Afeela EV offers an immersive audio-visual experience with high-quality sound and video capabilities for passengers to enjoy during their ride. The sleek, futuristic design of the vehicle reflects a bold step forward in electric mobility, combining Honda's engineering expertise with Sony's innovative tech. Acer Nitro Blaze 11 handheld gaming device. The Acer Nitro Blaze 11 is a handheld gaming device that stands out due to its substantial size and robust performance. Unveiled at CES 2025, it features a 10.95-inch WQXGA touchscreen display with a 144 Hz refresh rate and 500 nits brightness, delivering a vibrant and smooth visual experience. Under the hood, the Nitro Blaze 11 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 8840HS processor, complemented by 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 2 TB of PCI Gen 4 NVMe storage. This configuration ensures seamless performance for AAA gaming titles. The Nitro Blaze 11 is set to launch in Q2 2025 with a starting price of $1,099. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.